Good morning, students. Today we are starting our next poem, Fire and Ice. It's a poem by Robert Frost. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. In the first stanza, the poet says, some say, there are many people who say the world will end in fire. The poet is speaking of the destruction of the world. He says that the world will end due to fire and ice. There are some people who are in favor of fire and some people who are in favor of ice. In this poem, fire and ice are symbolic. Fire here is symbol of desire to achieve things, desire to attain materialistic things. And if we have the fire to attain more and more things, it may lead to destruction. Some say in ice, and ice here refers to hatred. If we have feeling of hatred for one another, it may also lead to destruction. So this poem is highly symbolic. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. If you will ask the poet says that I also believe that the world will end due to fire. Fire means desire, passion, lust to achieve things. If we see the rhyming scheme of the stanza 1, the rhyming scheme is fire A, ice B, desire A, and fire again A. So it becomes A B A A. If you see the first two lines, it is having some say, some say, some say, and some say is repeating. So it is anaphor. And see the fourth line, I hold with those who favor fire. Favor and fire. F and F is repeating, so it is alliteration. But if it had to perish twice. Now the poet says that in case the world had to end twice, I think I know enough of hate. And the poet believes that hatred is also responsible for ending the world. To say that for destruction, ice is also great. This means the world can also end due to ice which is symbolic of hatred. Because due to hatred, sometimes people are involved in criminal acts also, which may lead to destruction and would suffice. So, hatred is also sufficient to end the world. So, if you are going to ask the poet, firstly, he believes that the fire is sufficient to end the world. But in case it has to end twice, then it will be destroyed due to ice. If you see the rhyming scheme, of the entire poem, then it is up till first stanza it was A B A. Then if you see this line twice, you will give it B because ice and twice are similar. Hate C, ice, again B, great and hate. They have the same sound. So it is C, and suffice and ice. They have the same sound. It is B. But if in case you have to take the second stanza, then you will give twice as A, hate B, ice again A, great B, and suffice A. So hope this is clear to you. And in first two line there is enjambment also, because the first line is getting continued and the punctuation mark is coming in the second line. So in case when there is no punctuation mark at the end of line and it is getting continued, it is enjambment. So I hope this poem is clear to you. Thank you.